What's up, y'all? My name is David and welcome to the Prep Station. Today I'm going to teach you how to make crispy, delicious southern fried chicken in under 5 minutes. Every second counts, so let's get straight to the recipe. To start, we need to marinate the chicken. You've got to go with buttermilk for southern fried chicken. I'm adding a bit of hot sauce and seasoned salt because I like my chicken to have a little kick. You can skip the hot sauce if you don't want the spice. And here's a quick hack I'll squeeze in. If you don't have or keep buttermilk on hand, add a tablespoon of vinegar to a cup of milk and you can make your own. Now place your chicken in the buttermilk and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. Next up, we are going to make the dredge. I'm cooking 5 pieces of chicken thighs, so I started with 2 cups of flour. I'd say you need at least a cup for 2 thighs or breasts. We are going to be adding an array of spices to the flour to make this fried chicken really stand out. A teaspoon of each should do. With the red pepper, just as with the hot sauce, modulate according to taste. I'll have a link in the description with all of the seasonings I used. However, this is something I encourage you to experiment with. Try different seasonings and make your own blend. Once the seasonings are in, mix them with a whisk and the dredge is good to go. Now it's time to coat the chicken. I want a nice, thick, crunchy fried chicken, so I will be double dipping. If you want less breading, go for a single dip. Make sure you press the chicken into the flour and fill in all the gaps. Chicken thighs have a lot of loose skin, so make sure you get the breading in all the nooks and crannies. Once you've finished a piece, set it aside and move on to the next. Alright, let's fry some chicken. For bone-in chicken, I usually fry at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This will allow the chicken to cook all the way through without burning the breading. Make sure you don't overcrowd your fryer, as it will drop the temperature of your oil and your chicken will come out too greasy. The chicken will take approximately 15 minutes to cook. About halfway through, give the chicken a flip so both sides cook evenly. Once the chicken has cooked for roughly 15 minutes, check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. Don't play around with chicken. Make sure it temps to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Also make sure you get a temperature as close to the bones as possible. And there you have it, crispy, crunchy southern fried chicken, the most iconic southern dish. If you were looking for some great sides to go with this fried chicken, check out my recipes for mac and cheese and southern fried potatoes. But before you do, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're enjoying the content, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.